Woodpecker is the popular name given to birds belonging to the Picidae family of the order Piciformes. They are birds easily identifiable by their specific habits and morphology, especially by the habit of tapping, hitting the beak on a surface, producing a very characteristic mechanical sound that is used in communication between species, protection of the territory and sexual attraction. Among the specializations of the Picidae family are the ability to climb trees, dig nests and feed by a long tongue with different types of modified tips. The excavation of the nests, in not very hard trunks, is done by the strong and flexible beak, and the impact of the pecking is minimized thanks to the presence of a differentiated articulation between the upper jaw and the skull that allows the local muscle to absorb and dissipate part of it. Of the impact. In addition, woodpeckers also play important ecological roles such as controlling the insect population in the ecosystem and reducing the amount of larvae that can be harmful to host plants.